Jamie Vandermeuse with M2 Logistics. Speaking with Jamie Vandermeuse with M2 Logistics. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How about yourself?
Doing great. So is this your first conference?
This is my second conference. We went to a conference a few years ago when we were a prospect of McLeod's. We were invited to see what other vendors were on the system, and that was one of the reasons why we purchased McLeod, seeing the other vendors who were on the system, our peer group, a lot of people we knew really well, and they had a lot of great things to say about it, so that was really one of our selling points.
So have you found that the system as a whole, being a new family member to McLeod, that you have become more efficient, your team has become more efficient?
Absolutely. Our previous system, which it was very cumbersome to use, I felt like we were managing the system. I think McLeod manages us, and that's what I think a great TMS system does. It really gets you into managing by exception versus managing every rule of the business. And so we've been able to create workflows and e-forms and different rapid alerts and different reporting metrics, things that have helped us manage our business more efficiently.
You guys are using the McLeod Anywhere app today. How has that been going? Is that something that you have found very valuable for your team in using? Is it making it more efficient?
Yeah, the app is really great. A lot of areas have been enhanced by it. Number one, our operations team is connected to their customers pretty much 24/7 now, with the vital signs being there and the rapid alerts coming through the phone. They can be anywhere and be connected to their customers. We can see our results on a real-time basis. Our sales staff with the CRM tools in there, they're able to be much more efficient with their sales work as well.
What do they think about having the system with them at all times? Are they okay with this? Or?
It was kind of interesting at first, getting them to understand that they always had it at their fingertips and they could really do anything with the system as far as creating orders or putting carries on orders, those things. But now they've gotten used to it, I think they actually enjoy it. It's easier than our previous system where they had to log into a computer and get into a Citrix environment and log into their emails and the software. Now they're able to just go on their phones and they have it right there with them and they can check things real quickly.
So have you heard we're going to be in Atlanta next year?
I did not.
Yes, we're going to be in Atlanta. You think you'll join us there?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Are we going to see you in Atlanta?
Absolutely.
Are we going to see you in Atlanta?
You will. That's my hometown, so might as well.
Okay, fabulous. We're going to be in Atlanta.
Yes,
next
I
year.
have heard. Yes.
You plan on coming on out there?
Oh, absolutely. Every year. You know, and I actually was I was sending some emails this morning saying that we need to expand our presence. So one of the things that I initially had expected was that it would be operationally oriented. So our first year in attendance, we sent myself and one other operations member. But there's opportunities for our back office support, our finance teams, our claims, safety, whatever it may be. There's opportunities for other members within our organization. So we're going to try to bring more people next year.
Intelligent Vehicle Gateway. It is the next generation of our mobile computing platform, and really it's more than just a platform, it's a foundation. It's a foundation for the applications that we provide for our customers. So for those intelligent fleets that need a hub, they need a device on the vehicle that really can be that foundation, not only for information and data from McLeod integrated through messaging and dispatch, but also information coming from the engine, and then of course telematics, electronic logs, all the applications that we can provide. So IVG, Intelligent Vehicle Gateway, our next generation of driver interface and a foundation for what we're doing next with our applications. Critical event video. It's one of the first in-vehicle video solutions that allows for not only a triggered event, but also a request of a specific video event by date time. We've got a cool integration with our driver hours of service. So if you opt to do a driver-facing camera with your in-vehicle solution from Omnitracs, the driver can actually control when that driver-facing camera turns on and turns off with integration to his ELD, AOBR. So when they go off to your sleeper, it'll turn off that driver-facing camera. But we do feel like CEV is it's a product that helps that fleet that has that culture of safety, that has built a way to operate safely and legally and compliantly. It gives them the opportunity to really defend that culture of safety when and if something bad does happen. It is one of the first Class A turn-by-turn spoken direction applications that a fleet can really make their own and then not have to wait for an update. So if they need to favor or restrict, they can make that change and then send that over the air really immediately. So anything that happens in real time that affects routes that they are on or that they need to send, they don't have to wait for an update. They can immediately update. So we want them to take our navigation application, look at the lanes and the routes that they're running and really make it their own. And watch for a full integration with Loadmaster, with McLeod coming out for Omnitracs navigation. That should be coming out very, very soon as well. With the advancements in technology, we paid attention to what's going on in the consumer market, as well as developing solutions that are rugged and easy to install. So Intelligent Vehicle Gateway, the IVG solution, touchscreen, extremely intuitive interface. If you're familiar with MCP functionality, it's going to be an easy transition to IVG, but you're going to see a faster response time on the screen. And then if you're looking for something that's more handheld or mobile, of course with the XRS platform, we take an interface and a device that many drivers already have or already familiar with, and in some cases they can actually use that same device. So definitely something for everybody, regardless of generation or experience with technology.